Hey everyone, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So today we have another interesting video from Alexander. Today I will answer the question you asked under my previous video. Many people complain that there is not enough lighting while working with a sewing machine. And now I will show you how to make a comfortable lamp with your own hands. To do this, you will need a lamp, a wire with a switch, an aluminum tube with a diameter of 12 millimeters, a couple of clamps, 2 of them should be big, and a small one. Preferably, you will need white cold light. Not yellow, because only with white cold light you will see everything clearly. We take a lamp and 2 wires. It needs to be connected to a cord that will be inserted into an outlet. I have already made one lamp like this. After that, we take the tube and bend it an angle of 15 centimeters. Watch carefully how I do it. And the lamp is almost ready. It can be installed to the bobbin stand of the machine. The bent tube should be placed in the real stand. We put the cap on the tube. This is a lamp holder. We attach the lamp itself to this tube. You can wire it up if it is more convenient for you. I think my way is more simple, fast and convenient. We fixed the lamp. We attach the wire itself to the tube. Adjust the distance yourself. Now this lamp needs to be plugged into the outlet. What is the main convenient thing about this? The lamp turns out to be movable. You can move it however you like. When you don't need the light, you can turn it off. You all know that professional lighting costs a lot of money, and today I showed you how to assemble a lamp yourself and saving money. Most importantly, such lighting does not require additional brackets or other fixing structures. The lighting is mounted on a simple bobbin stand. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial from me. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!